Ant enthusiasts are going to love this one. The utility of symbiotic friendship, a formal economic analysis of befriending one's local ant colony. Abstract. This paper investigates the microeconomic foundations and game theoretic dynamics of forming a cooperative relationship with a local ant colony. By modeling interspecies interactions through utility maximization and repeated cooperative games, we demonstrate that befriending Formicidae collectives yields non trivial Pareto improvements in household sanitation, leisure aesthetics, and existential companionship. We derive a general equilibrium model in which Homo sapiens and ants form a coalition to mitigate marginal disutilities from environmental chaos and social alienation. The analysis finds positive utility externalities and identifies ant colonies as underutilized underutilized agents in domestic utility production functions. Fascinating. Introduction. The rational actor model in economics has traditionally been anthropocentric. However, the boundaries of economic agency have recently expanded, encompassing AI, ecological systems, and now ants. We argue that ant colonies, often dismissed as pestilent, in fact present latent cooperative potential when analyzed through utility theory and repeated game dynamics. So as you can see here, we have our Cobb-Douglas for humans and ants, where we just want to maximize here, and then our game theoretic analysis with that oh so familiar repeated game going on just below the matrix, or the payoff matrix there. You have your general equilibrium formulation with endowments. Obviously, that should be, all of this seems pretty clear. And what did we derive? Well, we have some empirical implications. Experimental evidence suggests that ant colonies reduce food waste by 12 to 18% via consumption of residuals, engage in localized detritus management, removal of crumbs and dead insects, and enhance aesthetic perception of nature-connected living environments. These effects can be captured via instrumental variables modeling ant presence as an endogenous regressor influenced by garden density and bread availability. Policy recommendations. Incorporate ant-friendly zones in urban design. Subsidize crumb placements near non-invasive anthills. And launch public education campaigns on peaceful ant diplomacy. Okay, we're almost there, guys. Conclusion. Interspecies cooperation between humans and ants, once properly formalized, offers measurable utility gains. Ant colonies, when engaged in structured exchange with human households, serve as natural sanitation workers and micro-philosophical muses. Economics must broaden its conception of rational agents to include the humble ant. And if you don't believe me, look at this. That's right, there's a figure, and therefore the paper is correct. That's what having a figure in a paper means. Thank you for listening, and I will catch you in the next YouTube video. Please subscribe. Thank you.